Hi friends, welcome to the brand new episode of winemaking. So in this video, I am going to explain you the process of winemaking. Welcome to my channel, Gardening is my love. Keep watching till the end, this is going to be interesting. So I have taken 3 ripe pineapples for the process of winemaking and very good, maybe weighing 2 kilos. Now let me explain you the ingredients. So I have used 2 kgs of sugar, 2 kgs. If you use powdered sugar, that would be better. So next I have used spices, and in this there are cardamom, so 5 cardamom pieces. Then I have used cloves, then dried yeast, so you can see dried yeast. Then I have used cinnamon, dalchini, cinnamon I have used, few cinnamon sticks. Now next I have also taken the whole wheat, so you can use whole wheat. Next what we require is the same yeast has to be activated. So I have taken 2 spoonful of yeast and I have activated it. Now let me explain you the process of activating the yeast. Take water, warm water in a bowl, and then add 2 teaspoonful of sugar, mix it, then add yeast and keep it for 5 minutes. So once again let me tell the process. Take water in a bowl, preferably pre-cooled water. Next add yeast, add sugar, mix it well, stir it well and keep it for 5 minutes. So you already seen it is activated, yeast is activated. Now let me move further. Now next what I am going to do is I am going to cut pineapples into very fine pieces so that it will be easy for you to filter later on. And before that I will get the wheat ready. So what you have to do with the wheat I will explain you. Just take a cloth piece, put handful of wheat inside the cloth, take a handful too, then fold it up, make it a pouch like thing, make it a pouch, then just tie it, so you can tie it very tightly, so tie it so that wheat does not come out. Okay, so that is ready. So pouch is ready, wheat pouch is ready. I am keeping it aside. Now let me move forward to cutting the pineapple. So I will show you how to cut and make very fine pieces. So I will start cutting. Make it very fine. Even the outer portion you can put, but since I have many pineapples, let me cut it very fine. If you do not have pineapples, you can even put the outer skin. There is absolutely no problem. So I am chopping it very fine. Pineapple is almost chopped. Yeah, fine. So now I will cut it into small pieces. Here I will break it into two pieces. Still we can make it into so chop it into small pieces. Keep it very fine. Even you can shorten it, so you can see the pieces very small. So finally I am going to cut all the 3 pineapples and keep it ready. Those who want to make the process very faster, even you can make grinded pineapple, but since I am going to keep it for 21 days, I am not going to grind it. So these are the small pineapple pieces. Here you can see ones, very small fine pieces I have cut. So I am going to cut all the 3. Here in the next process I will explain how we are going to mix the ingredients and keep. So let us go into the second step. So finely chopped pineapple is ready. Now I have taken 2 liters of water. So this is pre-cooled warm water. After heating it I have cooled it. So pre-cooled warm water. So 2 liters I have used. And here sugar. So now what I am going to do is one by one I am going to fill inside this. Inside this pot. So this is a ceramic pot. I am going to fill one by one. So first I will start with the pineapple. So fill pineapple. As much as possible I will fill the pineapple. So filling pineapple. So use a sterilized pot. Wash the pot nicely and sterilize it with the hot water. So even the juice I am filling it inside. So next I am going to fill the second one. So this should be finely chopped, otherwise you will find difficult in filtering later on. So now this is jar is completely filled with the pineapple. So next, over the pineapple I am going to add sugar. So this is 2 kg sugar. So I am going to add. So sugar is added. So next I am going to add the yeast. So this is already activated yeast. So you can see the bulging. So this is already activated yeast. I already explained to you how to activate. They take pre-cooled warm water, put 2 tablespoons of sugar, stir it, add 1 tablespoon yeast. So within 5 minutes it will activate. So this is already activated. So I am pouring inside the container. So completely poured inside the container. Next, I am going to add the ingredients. So first I will add cardamom. So cardamom I will put inside. Next I will add cloves. Next dalchini or cinnamon I am going to add. So after that I am going to add the whole wheat. So this is the whole wheat. So I already kept inside this pouch. I am going to put it inside. So this is I am going to put inside. So this is the whole wheat I have put inside. Next, so all the ingredients I have put inside. So this is pre-cooled warm water I am going to add 2 liters. So slowly I am adding pre-cooled warm water 2 liters. So 2 liters I have added water. Water addition depends on how much concentrated wine you want. So now I am going to stir it nicely. I will use the wooden spoon and stir it as much as possible. Stir the content very nicely so that yeast will mix nicely. I am going to stir it very nicely. Use a wooden spoon. Just keep it on here. You keep it over. Then I am going to close it. Close it nicely so that nothing enters it. So I have closed. Next, after that, I am going to cover it with a nice cloth. Cloth I will cover. So this is one step. Cloth I will cover. And finally, I am going to tie it. With wine. So I am going to tie it nicely so that nothing enters from outside. So the process is over. So after 2 days, preferably in the morning, I will open this and stir it with the wooden spoon. So if you are using a glass jar, you can see the process of fermentation very clearly. So thank you for watching my channel. I thank Mr. Chiradeep for giving me advice on this preparation. So he has already tried it many times. So thank you. Have a nice day.